What's up, Juji Maze here at Desert Donuts with a brand new Juji's Banana Brawler. This ain't your average donut, folks. A light, fluffy cake donut packed with powerful peanut butter filling, topped with banana icing and crunchy banana chips. It's a knockout of flavor, ready to brawl with your taste buds. But it's only around for a limited time, so be sure to get yours now.
I bet if you buy enough of them, they'll stay around. And we'll probably be able to get some more donuts made too.
Grab Juji's Banana Brawler before it flips away. Desert Donuts. Taste the brawl.
Actually, Juji, their slogan is "Share You're Happy." Haven't you heard their song?